Here we go, negative 7 minus 5 plus 4. Addition and subtraction with 3 integers. So since it's just addition and subtraction, we don't have to worry about order of operations. We just go from left to right. So first of all, how do we do negative 7 minus 5? The way to think about this, anytime you see a minus sign, it's really a negative number. It's adding a negative number. So look, we're adding two negatives, a negative 7 and a negative 5. They're on the same team. So it goes up to 12. They just add, but the answer is negative. Now we got different teams, positives and negatives, which means it's a subtraction problem, just like for 12 minus 4, which is 8. But the question is it a positive or a negative 8? Since there's more negative than there is positive, the negative wins the battle, and we're left with a negative value, negative 8. Negative 2 plus 1 plus 8. Negative 2 and 1. We subtract since they're on opposite sides. 2 minus 1 is 1. Negative's bigger, so negatives wins the value. More negative, I should say, not bigger. And then we have a negative 1 plus 8, still a negative and a positive, so it's subtraction. 8 minus 1, which is 7. But there's more positive here, so the positive wins, and it's a positive 7. We could also write 8 plus negative 1 as 8 minus 1. It's the exact same thing. 7 minus 9 minus 1. All right, so again, I'm going to change these to plus negatives just so we know. This is a 7 combining with a negative 9. Subtract since there are different teams. So it's like 9 minus 7, which is 2. Negative dominates because that's more negative than positive, so we got negative 2. And then we got negative 2 plus negative 1. Guess what? Same team, so we just add them together. We get 3, both negative, so the final answer is negative 3.